Mate, alright. It's the turbo flutter you like, eh? You want to hear some more? Yeah, I hear you say. Hey, how's that? I love that sound. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. We'll do a U-turn. I'll go down here and do another couple more flutters. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go down this way. Alright. Give it some, eh? Rolling coal. Ready? Rolling coal. Gotta love that sound, eh? The old Triton, mate, sounds like she's alive. And I love it. Nothing coming? No. Alright, this is where I'm going. Give it one more flutter. See ya.